Ever blessed people. Good morning. How are you? Today, I'm back at Quebec, guys, to do a follow-up for you guys as to this era where I showed you pumpkin earlier, and the onion is just planted there, and we have pepper on this side as well, and we have onion way over. I'm just gonna demonstrate to you guys as to the preparation of the land for planting. How we prepare the land for before we plant, before we lay the plastic, or before we plant peppers. My ever blessed beautiful people. I'm just here to do a follow-up and the progress of the onion that was planted earlier on. And look at my ever blessed people. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on the time you come across this video. I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe. Ever blessed people. If you are new here, welcome. Welcome to Ever Blessed family and the family farm. This land here has been prepared for planting peppers. So this area is gonna lay plastic just like the previous video that I show on the other side. And I'm gonna give you a heads up as to a follow-up as to what the onion that was planted in previous video looks like today. I don't exactly remember how many weeks I miscalculated. I just know I miss. This is it, guys. This is it. And this was like 3 weeks ago we planted these. 3 weeks ago we planted these baby here. And as you can hear the little sound, the water has been turned on to water them. And this is the see guys, the water is dripping right here. It's a drip hose. It is dripping right here. So this is the baby onions. This is the progress of them. You can see they are growing so fast, and I can just think that these onions are like 3 weeks old, if I don't know. See the size of them, guys? This hose right here is going too fast. It should be dripping. So my brother will have to do some correction here. So just showing you the progress of how they grow. They're growing so nice, so fast. See guys, onion field, baby onions are growing so fast. And if you cannot remember, guys, if you are previously my subscribers, you will remember when we planted these. Some of these holes are running too fast, but I would have to do some adjustment to it. And this is the progress of the older onions. These are now getting ready to harvest. Like if you can see this one, this one here is ready. You can see this sprout here is dry. So you have this one where this sprout right here is fat. This one don't ready. So I learned how to do that. And I want to show you guys as to how they harvest them as well. See? There's a lot of onions there, ready to be harvested. See? So this one right here is ready. As you can see, this one is ready, guys. This one is ready for the pot. See, this is how it stays, you know. So it is what it is, guys. Onion field. Yeah, these ones are ready to be harvested, you know. These are ready. You can see they are close to harvest. And this here, wow, this here is a tobacco tree. And as I did say in previous videos as well, that this plant were used to be the things that used to plant in this area number of years ago, and I can't believe that we still have them, you know. Tobacco. Beautiful tree. This one is nice. So this area is really nice, really nice. Yeah, there are less people. But look at the size of these onions, you see? Nice, very nice. So these ones are close to ready to harvest. You have pepper right here. This pepper. So in earlier videos, guys, I was showing you the pepper. This pepper and the pepper that is in the in previous videos, as my brother said, they were planted at the same time. But this one didn't get any plastic right here. So I'm just showing you the progress of this pepper comparing to the one that was planted in the plastic. So what he is demonstrating is that the one that is planted in the plastic is had more heel. That means it produced more pepper. So that is what it seems as if that's the way to go for us to get all our pepper planted in plastic. And when I also travel overseas, I notice the farms there, they plastic everything where they plant. So I'm just assuming then that because of the plastic, it locked in a certain amount of moist, so the sun don't get to penetrate the earth, as you know, as it, because the plastic keep the soil cool. Just imagine. Yes. So these are the way how they run the water pipe, guys. So the irrigation, and they use the hose and a giant to that, and they supply the whole field, you know. Ever bless people. Wow. I just went outside there and whoa! There's a pumpkin. This pumpkin is nice. And look at potato. Hey! I need to make a pudding with this one. Potato is nice. Ever bless people. Why not farming? I don't want to ask the question. Why not farming? So right here, I have 3 potatoes, I have 3 sweet peppers, and I have a onion ready to cook. And I also have a cabbage. Cabbage is small. There's a final preparation of the final reaping of the cabbage, you know. Cabbage already reaped. So this pumpkin is nice. Yes. So we're gonna catch a fire over there. I'm going to cook a pot. And Mr. Subscribe is in the camera. Hey, subscribe. So I go on, me bro. What you up on for today? What you set out to do today? Yeah, man, my interview. Yeah, run waka. But me never know so fast you da waka down also.
What is it?
Me I say me don't have some minutes so fast you go.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you da move. Oh, bless you. Eh?
You use the blade.
Oh.
Which me always use.
Oh. Me like how you run the waka because me notice that you do it timely. Zin, 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 you know, into that. Like how me notice that whenever I run it, you
reverse it.
What me like how you run it. So out there I go back now. I want to see how you see how you run it.
So you can't run it?
No man, me know how to run it, but me just say to you that
You want some money?
yeah, I want when you rip off them around your plastic it again. Me would I do that, you know? Take 2 more pick off it and chop it down, you know? No, when that grow up. When that piece grow up. Me understand. Family. We're back at the farm and we're just giving you a demonstration. I know I've been to this spot area and this man is reaping and bringing vegetables. So this, I'm going to watch this guy use a weed whopper. Question again, is it a weed whacker or a weed whipper? No one in the comment section tell me what it is or no. Go on. Slap them down lower than that, man. Right? Slap them down to the dirt. You're not slapping down to the dirt. What? You're not slapping lower down to the dirt.
That's really. Yeah, down to the dirt, yes.
Yeah, man, slap down to the dirt. Yeah, man, slap them down to the dirt, man. Yeah, so you put it to the ground, yeah. So, here it is, guys. Lots of tomato going to waste, right? Lots of tomato going to waste. It's just a part of the journey, you know?
Get there.
Yeah, we slap something to the dirt. Brother, oi, come back there, man. Slap away everything, man. Don't give more work. Come back on the. Slap away everything, man.
I don't think you money.
Eh? This is a cabbage, guys. This was already harvested, and this is just the crops that is left behind here. Cabbage. So all these are gonna knock out, preparing for new crops. Okay. So the next time when I show you this here, guys, it will be just pepper. And look at pumpkin. They're slapping away pumpkin. This is how the farm operates. You win some and you lose some, you know? Just family. This is what it is. Tomatoes going to waste. Yeah? So there's a pumpkin, guys. A lot of these pumpkin will be destroyed just for new product or new cultivation, as I said, pepper. So a lot of these pumpkin will go to this one. These birds are hunting for food, you know? So everything has to survive. The blackbirds here, they're searching for worms, you know? Never bless people. Oh, the water is right here. Water is it's getting away right here. Too much water. Some loose ends. And before you know it, all these areas will be have a new look in no time. Yeah. Huh? Cutlass? Where there? Brother, where your cutlass?
Oh shit. Don't get it. Don't get it.
Do go and ask
I'm
him.
expecting him.
Where do go and ask him, please?
I don't get it.
Just communicating to the guy there. I'm just gonna demonstrate to you guys. Yes, this is it. Freshly picked pepper from the farm. And this is gonna go in my pot. Hey, have a blessed people. Farming is a blessing, you know. Yes, it's your pepper.
Find the country.
No, inside down here.
Tell me they have you up there.
You want to say cutlass down here? And already the pot is in the fire. Or empty pot? Hey, let's start well a bit.
I'll show you my pot.
Empty pot.
You see what?
What all for baby carriage? Hey. So you see, so I might pick for the home, you know. Alright, and the number take time I grow. Right.
I watch you yesterday.
That was yesterday? You like what you see? And this is sweet potato. This is sweet potato, guys. So if you notice up there, I showed you a potato. This is where it is from. You know, sweet potato is from this area. Right here you have cabbage again, and you have corn. This plant along the side go up that way. Just a small corn field. Ever blessed people. You know, just showing you. And look at the environment in Colbert, guys. Look at it. Look at the environment here in Colbert. Yes, wait for you guys. So we have, in this area we have onion, pepper, pumpkin, corn, sweet potato. Oh, you just see this wire now, you just want to post. Oh.
Oh, the market is down for the farm.
Well, if a pumpkin I get lick, but it's as they say, it's a part of life.
And you have to lose some.
I miss some cabbage, some baby onion, and I take a couple of them.
Baby onion.
In Panigong.
They lie down on the ground, so you know. You need that.
How for them? I would draw them up. Why they drop so small?
I will with that cleaning up with that. With that cleaning up, you must take up the market.
Oh, for me to come out, me see some of them. I'm going to look for those baby onions. Oh, these are really babies. They don't have much use. These are babies. Baby onions. These are just to use one go. One use. But brother, I draw the peony on them, man. Then they're in between them. Oh. Oh, what the fuck is here? Hey. Them not play. See, that me say you have to load them and weed out that part of them. Oh. Hey. So, I have to demonstrate that there. So this is one way you put on this.
Fertilizer. This is nitrogen 30-10-10 and initiator premium
Hey, what
for the root.
Oh, so you give more root?
So what this do, it give it more root and the nitrogen make it grow faster.
Oh.
So this is how we do it. It's a fertigator we use. So this is liquid fertilizer.
Oh.
So you have liquid and granular.
So you remember so much name?
The inner system, you know.
Oh.
Just like if you have 10 people, you remember know what 10 of them name.
Yeah, dude.
So this is how we set up a fertilizer system.
Yes.
So when you have to get up and throw a 100 or 200 bag of fertilizer for the day, this is the thing of the past. That is the thing of the past.
Oh.
Now you use half an hour and run out any amount of fertilizer you want to run out.
Oh, so like when you turn on the pipe earlier on now.
The place are wet.
The place wet.
Right.
So this how just add to the wet in there.
So when me done run the fertilizer, me lock off back the pipe.
Oh.
So the fertilizer stay there now and soak in the earth.
Oh. Hey.
So you connect this hose to the fertigator system. Now make sure mix it properly. This didn't soak for morning.
Oh, so this as it is now, well strong now.
Well strong.
Oh.
So what me do to make it strong, me no use 1 drum of water.
Oh.
Me use like this amount.
So how that gets the bubble so?
Because the water run in the drum.
Oh.
So when me lock off this one now, it stop running at the drum and start suck out of this.
Oh.
So this now I run through the system.
Yeah.
And go with the honey and all the way down there.
Oh.
But for here so, me lock off that we got to that onion there so. And me lock off that, we go to the pepper down there so. And onion down so, I got benefit from this fertilizer.
Okay. So when you do them all and then turn it down, when you turn on the water first, it's like you build up
the water is on now. So when me lock off the water, it will come to this, come to this, and this a suck.
Oh.
So this will be water and fertilizer meet up right here. So.
Okay.
A percentage of water with a percentage of fertilizer.
Okay.
So if me put this in a drum of water, it can work, but it will go weak.
Oh.
So because it will go mix with water, me mix in at this alone. This is 15 pounds of fertilizer in this drum now.
Okay. So how long does that take before you run out?
Just a couple minutes.
Oh.
Just a couple minutes.
Hey. So if me move on yes or no and go
don't and come back.
You will see water look colored. Now watch and see how you spray them. So this way you spray and I don't see honey you spray. Oh, so this kind of make the honey and kind of heal quicker. And the buckle is automatic. Oh.
have to pump, use your hand a pump.
You know, if you pump, yeah.
Yeah, like.
Oh.
Bring a bush.
Yeah, yeah.
Get the full view.
So when I go try it down here, I'm tree bush, you know. Because you can't weed it, you can't weed it again. Because when you try weed it, when you pull up your hand and everything.
They're almost ready now.
Okay, okay. Some big one with them, Calvin. Some big one in them, man.
That's a lot down there, no?
Down at the hand down, so.
Yes.
See how one big one there? See? Call this one big. More there, whenever we eat it. Whenever I have it all this.
Yeah. I don't know if you want to tell you to cover it here. Today I put it on the full view.
Yeah, you're not getting full view.
Yeah. And our day we clean them out, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But the place, remember the place I get old for fertilizer and
Yeah,
all.
need for chemical and
Yeah.
water.
That is it. So ever blessed family. If you can see the sun down, that means, and you play with my hands. No, see sun down there. You play with my hands in the sun. You know that you are to the end of this video, or to the end of this vlog. And I am standing here to say one more time to you again, thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much for your continued support. And Ever Blessed family will continue to give you content after content. Bye bye guys, and I will see you in the next video. Brother G, never walk fast and go sleep. Oh, quick. If you water suck out of this by now. I see. And you that check minutes? How fast you dry out? Let me see how fast. Whoa, it's almost finished. That take less than 5 minutes for it to finish. Yeah. It is almost done. Ever Blessed people, that was so quick. Don't see the process? Hey, that was so fast. So fast. This is the system. Bye bye. And I will see you in the next video. Ever Blessed people. Ever Blessed people. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys.